Now Rina will taste the pancit lomi.
It's very old.
So, okay, I would not.
I do food.
Mm-hmm. You like the pancit lomi, huh?
Very good.
So it's approved. You like it? You like it or no?
Better.
Honest, the truth.
That's true. I like it.
Okay,
It's
so
very good.
konti na. Actually, pangalawang kain niya na ito ng lumi. Pangalawang kain niya na yan. Very good. Oh. See? She likes pancit lumi in the Philippines. You like Filipino food?
How you call it? Pancake?
Pancit
Pancake?
lumi.
Lumi. What the name I cannot say?
Eh, because you're not a Filipino, that's why you cannot remember. Remember. Ayan, she likes Filipino food. She's certified Filipino by taste. You like Filipino food, na?
Very much.
Okay.
I eat all.
Okay, thank you. Yun.
Adobo.
Adobo you like. The paksiw. What else I cook? The talong. The talong yung tortang talong. She likes. Maod she likes. Yung radish na salad, gustong-gusto niya rin.